Certainly. Here are 30 final project ideas for computer science students, each accompanied by a brief explanation. Blockchain-based voting system. Implement a secure voting system using blockchain technology to ensure transparency and prevent tampering. Augmented reality navigation app. Create a mobile app that uses augmented reality to provide navigation assistance, combining real-world views with digital information. Personalized health assistant. Develop an AI-driven health assistant that provides personalized health recommendations based on user data and medical information. Cryptocurrency portfolio tracker. Build a web application to track and manage cryptocurrency investments, displaying real-time prices and portfolio performance. Automated code review tool. Design a tool that automates code reviews, analyzing code for best practices, security vulnerabilities, and style adherence. Smart home energy management. Create a system that optimizes energy usage in smart homes, considering factors like occupancy, weather, and time of day. Language learning app with speech recognition. Develop an interactive language learning app that uses speech recognition to provide real-time feedback on pronunciation. Predictive maintenance system. Implement a system that uses machine learning to predict equipment failures and schedule maintenance before issues arise. Smart agriculture IoT. Build an IoT solution for agriculture, monitoring soil conditions, weather, and crop health to optimize farming practices. Elderly care monitoring system. Create a system that monitors the well-being of elderly individuals, incorporating sensors for fall detection and health parameter tracking. Automated parking system. Design a smart parking system that uses sensors to identify available parking spaces and guides drivers to them. Fraud detection system. Implement a fraud detection system using machine learning algorithms to analyze transaction patterns and identify suspicious activity. Personal finance dashboard. Develop a comprehensive dashboard that aggregates and visualizes personal financial data, helping users make informed decisions. Virtual reality museum tour. Create a virtual reality experience that allows users to explore museums and historical sites from the comfort of their homes. Collaborative task management app. Build a task management application that supports collaboration, allowing teams to work together on projects with real-time updates. Smart mirror. Develop a smart mirror that displays useful information like time, weather, calendar events, and news updates. Gesture-based control system. Implement a system that recognizes gestures for controlling devices or applications, enhancing user interaction. Healthcare chatbot. Build a chatbot that provides medical information, answers health-related queries, and offers general wellness advice. 3D printer management system. Create a platform to manage and monitor 3D printers, scheduling print jobs and tracking materials. Real-time language translation app. Develop a mobile app that translates spoken language in real time, facilitating communication between people who speak different languages. Intelligent traffic management system. Implement a system that uses data from cameras and sensors to optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion in urban areas. Biometric authentication system. Build a biometric authentication system using fingerprint, facial recognition, or iris scanning for secure access. Automated resume analyzer. Develop a tool that analyzes resumes using natural language processing to match candidates with job descriptions. Smart classroom system. Create an integrated system for smart classrooms, including attendance tracking, content sharing, and collaborative tools. Machine learning-based sentiment analysis. Implement a sentiment analysis tool that uses machine learning to analyze and classify sentiments expressed in text data. Environmental monitoring system. Build a system that monitors environmental factors like air quality, noise levels, and temperature to promote sustainability. E-commerce fraud prevention. Develop a system that uses machine learning algorithms to detect and prevent fraudulent activities in e-commerce transactions. Blockchain-based supply chain management. Implement a blockchain solution for transparent and secure supply chain management, tracking the movement of goods. Personal security app. Create a mobile app that enhances personal security, incorporating features like location tracking, emergency alerts, and self-defense tips. Automated drone surveillance system. Build a system that uses drones equipped with cameras for automated surveillance, providing real-time monitoring of large areas. These project ideas cover a wide range of domains within computer science, allowing students to choose projects based on their interests and career aspirations. Each project involves a unique set of challenges and technologies, providing valuable learning experiences.